Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Stripe payout reports for revenue reconciliation, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Stripe payout reports for revenue reconciliation, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard where your account information is displayed. On the left sidebar, find and click on the Payouts option. Once you're on the Payouts page, review the list of payouts available. Select the specific payout you want to backup by clicking on it. You will be directed to a page with detailed information about that payout. Here, you will see options to view transaction details and any associated reports. Look for the Export button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Export button to reveal different file formats you can choose from. Select your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Confirm your selection and allow Stripe a few moments to prepare your report. Once the report is ready, it will appear as a downloadable link. Click this link to download the report to your device. Repeat the process for any other payouts you need for your reconciliation. After downloading all necessary reports, organize them in a dedicated folder on your device. Label each file clearly, including the payout date and any other relevant identifiers. This will ensure easy access and minimize confusion during reconciliation. For additional accuracy, consider backing up these files in a cloud storage service. This provides an extra layer of security and accessibility for your important financial documents. Finally, regularly update your backups to include new payouts and reports as they become available. This consistent practice will streamline your revenue reconciliation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.